Welcome to P.O.M Squad. We're so excited you've chosen to try one of our classes. Our amazing team is getting everything ready for your visit, but first, here's a few tips on getting ready to join us at the studio. Tight-fitting, athletic clothes are best for class, but anything your dancer can move freely in and is comfortable is most important. We have an amazing selection available at our studio, along with jazz shoes of all sizes, which we highly recommend. Make sure to arrive at least 10 to 15 minutes before your class is scheduled. We'll have a team member ready to greet you and check your dancer into class. Ready for your first P.O.M Squad secret? We never show up to a party empty-handed. Your welcome gifts will be waiting for you, along with some additional information about our program. Parents and guardians are welcome to stay for the duration of their dancer's class in our waiting room, but classrooms are dancer-only zones. If you don't plan to stay with your dancer, be sure all of their items are clearly labeled and stored in one of our lockers. Our program is designed to nourish your dancer's skills from their trial class all the way to competing on our award-winning teams. We hope your first class is just the first step.